Hey you guys, here with Mark the Geek. In this video I want to share with you guys an awesome app. It's called Advanced Mobile Care. Like you see right here, this is how it looks when you open it up. Let me show you guys the app. That's what it looks, the app. It says Mobile Care alone, and when you slide the notifications, you can see it right here in your notification. Advanced Mobile Care, protecting your system. Let's go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, you go to the app, same thing as clicking on the app, and it has a couple awesome great features for maintaining your phone up to date and also for security things as well. Like you see right here, you got a big button that says scan. When you tap on it, let me show you guys this awesome animation that this app has. Like you see there, it's scanned for viruses, and right now you see a green check mark, which means that it's all good. There's no viruses in your phone. Over here, like you see, it says task. It's showing you open. I believe these are like open apps in the background. And right now it's scanning your cache to see how much cache you are using on your phone. Okay, so now it's searching for junk files, and that's it, 100% done. When you see that, you can actually go, before you do click repair, you can actually go back here and see if there's any app that you want to add to your ignore list. For example, I want to add toggles. Are you sure you want to ignore? Yes. I don't want you to be killing that, because toggles, this toggles that I don't want it to be killing. And some other apps, like for example, dog catcher. I don't want to be killing dog catcher, and so on, so on. You could do your stuff there. Here in cache, you could do the same thing here. Here in junk files, there's 0 junk files. But so let's go ahead and click repair. Click that big old button, and that's it. So now it already repaired everything. So let's get it finished here. Another cool feature is over here in battery saver. When you click on battery saver, you can see this very cool information over here. When you click right here, the info icon, you can see the battery info of the battery. For example, it says not charging, health, in good health, level 93, voltage 4.21 V voltage, temperature 36.2 Celsius, and technology Li-ion. Over here, if I tap over here, you can see all the apps that are using most battery. Like you see right here, dog catcher has been using 83% of my battery. I use that app a lot, so I'm not worried about that. Here, if you tap here, that doesn't do nothing, but you can see that actually tells you the remaining time of your battery. Also, if you click over here, it also has, if your phone doesn't have like a battery saver integrated to it, this is a great option because it actually has a battery saver. Here, if you click right here, right now it turned low. It turned the brightness down because I believe the brightness over here is set to low. So let me go ahead and open that up. Let me go ahead, black. If I turn it off, like you see, everything goes back up. If I turn it back on, it goes down a little bit because I just changed it. Here you could do all these changes. When you press auto saving mode, battery saving mode, you could go ahead and control everything here. Like for example, when you turn it on, you could make sure the Wi-Fi is on or off, mobile data on or off, auto sync, Bluetooth. You have a lot of options to customize, which is a very cool feature. Right now I don't use it because this phone actually has a good battery saver integrated, so I'm not using it right now. Let's go back. Another cool feature of this app is Game Speeder. Let's go ahead and click right here, and like you see, it scans your phone and automatically it's going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it shows me only 4 games. But I could go over here, add more games, because I actually have more than 4 games on my phone. For example, let me see, Alien vs. Predator, Dungeon Hunter, Iron Man, Blitz Brigade. Let's go ahead and add those. And now, like you can see, now those games are added. But a great feature of this is, for example, let's go ahead and click on one of them. And when you click on one of them, look at this. It is automatically optimizing your phone to play the game. As you see right there, go ahead, click back, and go ahead, open again. Like you saw right there, it automatically starts scanning your phone, cleaning your cache, doing everything in the background so the game can run much better. Same thing here. Let me go ahead and choose Nova 3. Like you see there, releasing the resources. Boom. Very cool animation there. And like you see there, mobile phone has been updated. That is a very cool feature that I never seen in one of these security care devices for your phone, which is very cool. If I tap right here, let's go ahead and tap right here. You see the option for game speeder, app manager. From here you could go ahead and, for example, if you have APK files on your phone, you could tap right there. And like you see here, you can see the APK files I have in my download folder, and I could go ahead and install them from there. I can install them right here. Very cool. Another cool feature, you can move apps. Basically, this says that you can actually move apps from here to no, this is uninstall apps, but right here, if I click right here, nope, not there. I'm trying to click right here where it says okay, external card is unavailable. Right now I don't have an external card because this phone is the HTC One, but based on this app, it tells you that you can actually move some things to your SD card, which is a very cool feature. Here you can see all the apps that you have, and from here you can manage your apps. Like for example, you could click on one of them, you could click launch or uninstall, which is very cool. I like the way it shows everything there. Here, battery saver, we already saw that. Task killer, you could go directly into the task killer right here, you could go ahead and click kill, and it'll kill all your tasks. But that does it at the beginning, like we saw with the big button that says scan. Here, Piracy Advisor, this is a very cool thing here as well. It says scanning for AD application, and like you see right here, boom, these apps can collect information about you. So here's a very cool way to see what the apps are collecting from you, and if you don't agree with them, you could go ahead and uninstall them. Also, let's get out of here. Privacy Locker. This is very cool as well. I see here. This is a very cool thing here. You basically is if you want to put any video or photo or file secure so nobody can see it when they're browsing your phone, it's very easy. All you gotta do is put it right here and nobody will ever see it. You have your password like you saw right there. Here I could go ahead and please click the plus button over here so you could choose whatever photo you want for it to be on your locker. For example, let's say I want to make sure, no, these are icons for, let's go ahead and go to wallpaper. Let's say I want to put that wallpaper and add it. And so right now I add it right here. So now let's go back. So now this right here is going to be in my secure locker, so nobody can access it. It's going to be everybody will be able to look at your phone and won't be able to see it. Here, for example, this other video, it decrypts your videos. I could go ahead and play the videos from the player as well. You see right there, I just was testing here the camera, slow motion. But like you can see, it's very cool. I like the animations and everything. It looks very nice. You could go ahead and click files as well. If you have PDF files that you don't want people to see, you could everything secure it right there. And I like the way the animation looks. And of course, you always gotta remember your password, and that's it. Here it also has an anti-theft. Anti-theft is not available right now. It says not available without SIM card. I don't know why it says that, but I was using that before, and what it is to scan to find your phone if you lose it. That's what it is. Right now I don't know why it's giving me this, because I was using this last night and it was working very good. But you could go ahead and try that. There's a lot of apps that also do that for free. Here also you got cloud backup. In cloud backup you could go ahead and back up your calls or your call logs and everything. You click backup and you can create an account there. That way you could go ahead and back up all your phone numbers and your call logs. That's what it is. But right now if you use If you use Google, I don't think you actually need this, but here you can also restore, which is a very cool feature. If for one reason you don't use Google services, that is a good feature too. We click over here to preference. Here, like you see right here, this is the way. Let me clean that. This is the way the app looks in your notification. You can also change it here. You could turn that off if you don't want no icon there visible, which is a lot of people like that, including myself. Or you could go ahead and put a power status icon. Click back and look at that. Now you got a power status icon right there with the battery, the percentage of battery left. If you click on that, it will take you back here, right there. And here, of course, it goes back into a couple of features that we already ran through. Vibration, turn it on. Task killer, here you can also set up a automatic task killer when the screen is off, every half hour, every hour. Very cool. A lot of cool features this phone has. Also, you could go ahead and use call blocker. You could go ahead and put people here, phone numbers and contacts here that you want to block your calls from. Battery saver notification for fully charged. You can actually turn that on, and when the phone is completely charged, it will notify you. Like you see inside over here in the preference, there's a lot of cool stuff you can actually do. Here you got the ignore list. You can control all the ignore lists, and you could go ahead and delete some of the apps if you want to take it out from the ignore. And of course, it has lots and lots and lots of languages. This app is very cool, and best of it is free. I don't know how long is it gonna be free. I don't know if it's gonna be free forever, but it's a very cool feature, and it has lots of features that are very usable and that really work. And especially this one over here, Game Speeder. I think that's a very cool feature that it's gonna make your phone run a lot better when you play the game. Why would you not want that? So guys, this was a look at Advanced Mobile Care for Android devices. Very cool app, totally recommended to anybody. Until next time, guys.